Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a shifter we just got from American Muscle, and hopefully we can install it today. So I got a new shifter just because of the thumb looking shifter. You know, every S197 owner knows. So hopefully with this one it'll look a lot better. I believe this is a SpeedForm shifter. So, let's look at it. Here it is, I think, guys. Oh wow, looks pretty cool. So I'm not sure if it's weighted or not. Let's pull this out. I don't know if it'll come out. I'm trying to do this by one hand. I say how these YouTubers do it by one hand, I guess by practice. So, it's got some weight to it, so I guess it is weighted. I'll just pop in right here, and we should be good. So we are going to be removing the shift knob first. As you can see, you know, it looks okay, but I think the new one will look better. So just plop down the shift retainer. And the shift knob. And that's it. I think that looks good. I'm going back to tighten it some more. I think that's what I'm missing. I need to get some thread locker, but it'll be fine for today. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So thank you guys. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and I'll give you guys a little code story.